Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked to down below in the description. And in today's video, I have another haul, but this haul includes some stuff from Joann's, Amazon, and another business. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please let me know if you guys have anything that I'm about to show you, because I have no clue how to work one of the things that I got, even though I should have learned before I bought it. But if you know how to work it, let me know, like if you have any tips or any advice. And I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked down below in the description. And let's get right into the video. So my first package I will be showing you is from Yarn Stitch, and here's a cute little sticker I want to show you guys. So I want to show you guys the box. It says, "Thank you for helping my small business grow." The thing that attracted me to this website specifically is the Wool Genie, and as you can see here with the little skein of yarn on it, it is a magnetic pendulum knitting and crocheting yarn feeding system. And here are all the parts for it, and as you can see, it has the directions, squares. I told y'all I got better, and I want to show y'all proof that I've gotten better. This is proof. This is not. Okay, so here's a little bit of proof I got better. And working with this red yarn from Caron, well, I have a whole, the yarn that I use is linked down below in that video. But the Caron yarn was a center pull, so it was so easy. That's why I wanted to learn how to do center pulls. And this white was not a center pull, and it got tangled. It was difficult to use because it literally was so tangled with the stuff that you would have to keep going over and fighting with the actual yarn. But it's pretty good yarn. So I went ahead and purchased the Wool Genie as well as the yarn ball winder. Here are their socials. So I ordered a tote, and it also has wheels, which is pretty cool. So it is 5.3 gallons, which is 21.1 quarts, and obviously the lid is included, and it is a snap lock. And I will, of course, be putting in the prices like I did the last time. The little yarn in the box when they were shipping it, which is so good. And you would think like, oh, that's common sense, but some companies will literally put everything separate. Like, they would try and fit this on the outside of the box. 2 skeins of the Caron Simply Soft, because if you remember from my previous video, my sister had got me this from Christmas, but it is literally almost gone. And I recorded that video January 1st, around there. So I've been making granny squares as I showed you. Off appearance, it looks to be pretty much the same, which is good because I know with some, the difference is so much similar. And like I showed you guys, the package is different. Caron Simply Soft by Yarnspirations, 100% acrylic, 6 ounces or 3, and it's also 315 yards. 5mm knitting needles and 5mm crochet hooks are recommended. It is machine washable and dryable, and they do not have a dye lot, which is why the colors are the exact same. It says no ironing because it is acrylic, and acrylic will melt because, again, acrylic is just plastic. And Yarnspirations does this thing where they already have the center pulled out, which makes using this yarn so enjoyable. So now the rest of the Joann's products have arrived, and here's a little sneak peek. This is the Lion brand. basic stitch anti-peeling yarn. And as you can see, this one was all squished, but it's okay because I will be like putting it into a cake later on. And it is a medium 4-weight yarn, and it recommends a 5mm crochet hook. And this is just in the color white. And it is a 100% acrylic yarn. This is Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton DK yarn, and it is a light 3 yarn, and it recommends a 4mm crochet hook. It is 273 yards or 3.5 ounces, and it is super, super thin, as you can see. That was in the color Caviar. This is Big Twist cotton yarn. It is a 85% and 15% polyester blend. The DK yarn was 100% cotton, and it was 270 yards. Like I said, this one was 107, and look how many skeins of yarn it takes to get a project. It's so many, and it's only 107 yards. This is a medium 4-weight yarn, and it recommends a 5mm crochet hook. Luckily, it does say you can wash it, and it's machine washable, and you want a low iron because it will melt, but you can use an iron on it like regular cotton yarn, but not too long. It says a low iron, and this one is in Ocean Spray, and it is the exact same 107 yards. And I'm showing you guys the difference between the thickness. And next I have Red Heart Super Saver. This is my very first time touching. No, it's not. I was gonna say it's touching Red Heart Super Saver. I bought my sister some, and I never used it before, but I keep seeing this yarn everywhere, and so I wanted to try it out. It's not their like all-in-one granny square. I'm just too scared of that, but this is my very first time having this. This is 5 ounces or something, it says on the package, and it comes with the center pull already done for you, and it is called Neon Stripes. It's a medium 4 yarn. I think this is a 5.5mm crochet hook it recommends. Next we have the mandala cakes, and it was my very first time ordering a mandala cake, and I see them all the time. I like the Caron cakes, so that's why I wanted to try this, but I prefer Caron's yarns colors, if you know what I mean, like Caron by Yarnspirations. This is a 5.3 ounce, 590 yards. It is a light 3 yarn, machine washable and dryable, so it's not a lay flat to dry, but it doesn't start off in the same. It's different, which I like, but you do want to use a 5mm crochet hook, and the color is in like love, it's called Cupid Cushion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this portion of the Joann's haul. Now I'm going on to the Amazon products. Only seen me for my crafts. This may be like a little bit like what for you. However, I also do, I'm trying to say that I enjoy being an esthetician. I'm not an esthetician, but I like that whole process, and waxing is a part of it. So here is the wax kit. It comes with 5 different types of waxes. They're all hard wax, but it's different scents. And there is an ultimate kit, and it comes with a silicone tray as well as the metal one. You put the silicone inside of the metal. That way it doesn't get dirty, so you can just pop it out and that's fine. I wish I would have saw that one first, so I ended up having to buy it for a separate $14 charge. And with the $59 one, it also comes with 2 silicone like wax sticks. But that was the after spray and the pre-wax spray, and then that was the waxing sticks, and that white thing is a ring that goes around your wax kit. That way, and because you're a beginner, your wax spills doesn't get everywhere. It comes with a 2-year warranty as well as some videos, and this waxing guide is so good. Like, it is very in depth, and you can tell that the owner took a long time to formulate it, and it is a very good and helpful guide. Like I said, they also have a YouTube channel. That was some masks. Here is the ring light. I actually started using this ring light while I was recording the next part of this video, and let me tell you, it worked out great. Even recording the plastic tote storage thing, it worked perfectly. And then this is some more wax stick, and it comes with various sizes. This one is like a little bit oblong shape, and then there's some really small ones, and then it's just more shapes so you can get to more areas easily without worrying about you using too much wax or too big of a stick or too small of a stick. It has a lot of options. Here is my mirror. I've never owned a mirror before. I don't know. This one is in the extra large. So, and it also came with a comb. And the mirror is actually pretty clear. Here is my Owala tumbler. And I've already used it, and the ice stayed in it for over a day already. But I'm the type of person that washes their water bottles very frequently. I've already refilled the water 3 times actually, and it was no issues. I did wash it like it said to, with a straw cleaner, and I didn't use any bleach or anything like that. And your hand will be able to fit in there to just use a regular sponge. If you're worrying about buying extra attachments, you only have to buy a straw cleaner. I wish it was back in the day when they still came with straw cleaners. If you guys remember buying cups and water bottles when it came with it, that was a real good era. But it is very easy to clean, and the lid just pushes out for if you want to sip, but I'm not a sipper, I'm a straw person. So the straw just goes right in the hole, and that's it. And I will be back when the next item arrives. Also, this rubber ring right here is removable, and you do wash it. This little top right here does come off. You just push it forward, like the orange part. This is a stitch counter or a row counter. You can use it to count whichever one you want, but I recommend doing it for rows because it's just kind of hard to crochet and do the exact stitch unless it's like a phone or something like that. The big button to start your row, so it starts at 1, then you do that row, or you can have another method where after you do the row you click, so you can stay on track that way, but then you go ahead and reset. This is my Lion Brand DK cotton yarn, and this is the cream version, and this one does not have a dye lot either. It is the exact same measurements as the first one, and this is from Joann's. And it is a light 3 yarn, and so you need like a 4mm hook, I think. And this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. My total from Joann's was $60.48, and my total from Amazon was $96. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.